In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about an amazing new NFT project called the Bones Club. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. But before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for the Bones Club will be down in the description. So definitely don't forget about that and check those out as well. So here you can see the Bones Club website, thebonesclub.io. You can read more about the story behind the NFT collection, the club itself, the roadmap and the team. So the Bones Club is the very first fully animated, event-focused NFT project with over 100 unique hand-drawn animations. And yes, you heard me right, over 100 unique hand-drawn animations. And you only need to be holding one Bones Club NFT to be getting your own membership pass to all exclusive, exuberant, enticing events and parties they will be holding, and they will be holding a lot. And by the way, did I already tell you that the first actual party is hosted on a private island all the way in the Middle East? So the Bones Club is a community-based project. And this is why it believes in giving the best value back to the community, as it's going to be an actual club. So with that, you should think about networking face-to-face and online with influencers, and that will be the order of the day at the Bones Club. So the Bones Club at this point of time is only at the beginning, and they have a huge interest from some even bigger social media figures backing their project, like the very own NFT Kid, who's been hanging around in the Discord for quite a while now. So many of your favorite content creators and social media influencers within the NFT and crypto community will be talking with excitement about the Bones Club within the next couple of days. But what about you? All of these influencers are talking about it. Where can you talk about the Bones Club? Well, don't you worry. The Bones Club has got you covered and will be hosting AMA spaces every day up until the launch. So you can get to know the Bones team even more, so you can ask any question and get to talk to fellow excited people for the Bones project. Well, this all obviously, with everything you've heard, it almost sounds too good to be true. Well, but don't worry, there's even more. The Bones Club believes that everyone deserves a fair shot at launch, as well as fair distribution. So each Bone NFT will cost you 0.23 ETH for the pre-sale price and 0.25 ETH for the public sale, which is less than a quarter of an ETH, but 100% a steal. So now one of the most important things you need to know: when will you get the chance to actually buy this amazing project? Well, mark it down in your calendar, because I will tell you now. And as the launch date for what many people have been saying will be the next blue chip project has been set for December the 20th. Yes, you heard that correctly. December the 20th for the pre-sale, and then December the 21st for the public sale. And trust me, and this is a personal tip just to end, act quickly and get your whitelist now so you don't miss out on the opportunity to be part in this groundbreaking project, as you just heard. You can also follow the Bones Club on Twitter at TheBonesBC. Here you will be updated on everything you need to know regarding the Bones Club, but you can also, for example, join the Discord, their Discord links and just updates in general, and you can join the Twitter spaces. So I would definitely recommend you to follow them on Twitter as well. So with that, we have also reached the end of this video. Again, I want to tell you that all the links for the Bones Club will be down in the description, so definitely go check those out as well. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.